Here are some examples of organizations in which the site-level access feature is useful and how it might be used. A healthcare network has 3 different local hospitals under its umbrella. Each hospital has a volunteer coordinator and a team of volunteer personnel. The main hospital serves as the headquarters, and the volunteer coordinator there has administrative responsibility for the volunteer programs at all 3 hospitals. This headquarters administrator wants to have access to volunteer records and statistics for all 3 facilities, to be able to set volunteer record-keeping standards for the entire healthcare network, and to give the volunteer coordinators at the other hospitals access only to the records for the people who volunteer at their facilities. In this example, the headquarters administrator creates one site in Volgistics for each of the 3 hospitals, and then creates one or more Volgistics system operators for each site. A statewide child welfare agency has an employee in each county whose responsibilities include coordination of the local volunteers who assist the agency. At the state capitol, an overall volunteer administrator needs to monitor volunteer background check results for volunteers statewide, to be able to produce statewide volunteer statistical reports and set volunteer record-keeping standards for the volunteer coordinators in all counties. At the county level, the agency's volunteer coordinators need to be able to track, schedule, and communicate with their volunteers. But at this level, they only need access to the volunteers from their own county. In this example, the statewide volunteer administrator creates one site in Volgistics for each county, and then creates a Volgistics system operator for each county. A national environmental education group has several dozen volunteer teams in local communities around the country. Each team has a coordinator who needs the ability to manage volunteer records for their own region. At the national office, an overall volunteer leader wants to provide a standardized volunteer record-keeping system to all of its regional coordinators, and to be able to tap into information about the specialized skills of volunteers from all of the local regions while traveling around the country. In this example, the national leader creates a Volgistics site for each region and a Volgistics system operator for each of their regional coordinators.